This is either resounding or resounding, I'm not sure which. Are you still interested in the image of this island as a brown shoulder or breast half hidden by clouds? Are you turned on by chimeras? The impossible woman, part igneous, part surge. Go be embedded, beaded, pebbled, the fickle luster, that's right, the fretwork of disaster. Go on be half shrouded by. The racket. It's as if the real thing, your own absence, can never be uncovered. Each actor's face seems to have survived the same brave battle to remain in character. They're posed on the rubble used to indicate the past. It turns out this is heaven. In the present, cancer sets up a free market in your gut. The fog lifts and the birds start in. Each works to replace itself with a bit of racket. Provenance. You know what that word means? That's like the sort of history of an object, how it came into your possession. It's a word you might hear art dealers use or on Antiques Roadshow. Okay, provenance. It's characteristic of X to place his anxiety here, between time and alive. What can you give me for this glimpse and its provenance? I've got one just like it. What interests me now are spin-offs of spin-offs, the narrative that rescues us once more in a less probable way. By sailing upside down at dusk, we've returned from the land of the dead. That's actually a plot point in the last Pirates of the Caribbean movie. I don't know if you remember that. Sounds really surreal. Okay, concentrate. The point at which you can get your eyelids to drift, tethered like seaweed, by thinking about it. Then imagine yourself eyeless. The spontaneity with which a bubble breaks away, flies to the surface, and pops, as if finding something out. Now, in a vacuum, with virtuals as probes, or as little alarms going off. Anchor. Widely expected, if you will, cataclysm. Things I'd say, am saying, to persons no longer present. Yards away trim junipers make their customary bows. Oh, no thank you to any of it. If you watch me from increasing distance, I am writing this always. I think I heard an anchor, I can't remember which one, but British guy that reports for American TV actually said, widely expected, if you will, cataclysm, talking about the sectarian violence, as they say in Iraq. Pass. Single cells become like-minded, forming a consensus or quorum. Bioluminescence and virulence are two ways we describe the feeling they share then. With effort, humans can approach this condition. Synchronized swimming has afforded me a wonderful life, says one informant. Why not? I too would like to exert power over time, to pass it aggressively, dramatically, and forget all about it until even the meaning of the word pass gets lost in a rosy glow. Okay, just two more. Passage. I held the framework of my life in mind with some precision. I knew when I was where, or where I was when, but not many incidents of my past had actually been preserved. Instead, the frame served as a cargo cult runway, forever inviting the future to appear. I existed finally as the idea of temporal extension. The creeper lineates the wall. Flowers as punctuation? Can you elaborate on the passage? Double meaning, superposition, hair standing on end, makes a creature appear larger, more ferocious. And this will be the last one. Fact. Operation Phantom Fury. The full force of the will to live is fixed on the next occasion. Someone coming with a tray, someone calling a number. Each material fact is a pose, an answer waiting to be chosen. Just so, it says, ask again.